We're on a revenge tour for mummy machines that gave us money and then took our money. So here we are, our next one. Red Rock. Here to take our revenge. Oh, right away. All three. Did anything happen? Nothing happened. All three for no reason. That would have been a good first spin. This game is good with first spin bonuses. So, we would have liked one there. Hello? No. Any wilds? No. Pretty good cash collect number to start. Oh my gosh, $75 one. Oh, that's huge. These numbers are huge for this. $75 one on a 150 bet. Of course, it doesn't matter until it hits, but it does matter. Oh, where was beautiful eye in the beginning? Okay, boom, 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 boom. That would have been nice. Okay. Triple wild. To no avail. Mini. Call him Mini Me. Nope, not for now. We have reinforcements. Will it help us in our conquest for glory? I think so. No. Oh. So many wilds. You gotta pop. We want that maxi again. We're good at getting. Oh my goodness, again. That's good, Kings. That $75 thing was huge. What was it? The cash collect. Obviously, it was huge for a 150 bet. Two more. We want to see what free spins. Like, we've had some pretty sad free spins bonuses recently. 13. Yes. No. Please do it. That was crazy. I mean, these are some wild numbers right now. Wilds. We haven't seen one cash collect pop up. Let's do some. What in the heck? This happened last time too. The screen just shuts off. That was so crazy. I don't know. I know. It's hit like, how many of them did we hit? Like 15? Yeah, multiple triples. Let's see if the greens are still big here. We haven't even seen Mr. Mummy once. The Kings, okay. He was up there. Why did he just come on the screen right now? Oh, what's he doing? game's getting bigger. But that one grand that we saw was like $12,000 was so crazy. That was really, really crazy. It's 5 cents. 3. The 1 cent was showing the most action. I don't know. So many wilds. Not that many greens though. That I will it into existence. Oh, it's right there. I was like, not that many greens, and then he shows up, of course, so. Of course. Day late and $1 short. I don't know. What do you think, wifey? Maybe it'll give us baby bonuses. Baby bets. 15 on... I mean, it's showing good numbers, but why is it showing good numbers? He doesn't want us to leave. I want to leave. Oh, do it. You're right. He doesn't want us to leave. Now he's tricking us. I liked him better at the Luxor. We're on home court. Okay. That wasn't even our bet back. That's crazy. Oh. Yes? No. Do it at this point in our lives. No. That would have been a nice time. Oh, that doesn't count, I guess. Oh my goodness. Please, I've never seen 3. Oh my god, these numbers are so crazy. What does it mean? If that was, what's it called, it would have been beautiful. Puff and puff. Yes. No. Dang, those are huge. It was like, maybe it wants us to max bet. This machine is quite a trickster. This is the machine that I said that owed us, and now you can see why. I said this is the machine that I said that owed us, and now you can see why. It still is gonna owe us. I'm just saying like how much it like kind of entices you to stay. One of you, come on, come on. Nope. Yeah. That was so hard to line those up. Good, now it's growing, but now back to back, tickle it. No. That was crazy. We saw like a $50 in like a 75-cent bet. That's insanity. Oh, come on, you can do it.
I can just pop like that?
Yeah, I can. So like, right, yeah, without the mummy. I've gotten it a few times, like where it just pops when you get just the gems. Yeah, that's why anytime any of them land, it can give you a chance. So. a pop right now, or this is the only one that you get a pop with 2 more. So none of it matters, and Momomi slows us. But that was quite a battle. It's gross to leave it like this, but maybe we'll come back. I don't know. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.